The Home Inara has over 161 customer reviews and a 4.5-star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Inara is beautiful, is easy to install, and is the perfect hallway light. The Home Inara is perfect to install in a bathroom alongside a mirror, in a hallway, or beside a bed. This sleek light comes in a beautiful warm brass finish, which complements the overall minimalistic look of this wall sconce. The warm brass finish on the Inara was hand-chosen to give it a classy look and feel. In different types of lighting, the finish will give you a different experience. When deciding on a shade of warm brass for the Inara, we compared multiple samples and eventually chose what you see here because it flows well with the style of Sconce and adds to its classic look. The Inara is highlighted by a clear cylindrical glass shade and a gooseneck design that fits well in a variety of different decor styles. Measuring at 6¼ inches wide and 11¾ inches tall, this wall sconce is a perfect way to add length and dimension to any space. The clear glass shade of the Inara allows for some customization with your choice of bulb. This is compatible with vintage Edison bulbs, a tube bulb, or even LED bulbs to make the Inara even brighter. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Inara is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Inara light is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon marketplace that say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.